We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to everyone's needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.